back up like again. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here camping in the GFC for the first time with all the dogs and Kate. And we showed up to camp a little bit late tonight. It's winter time out here, and it gets dark about like 5:30, so it got pretty dark fast on us, and I can't really show you guys camp, but I'll do that in the morning. We're gonna do some wheeling in the morning. I found some really cool trails out here on the way to this camp spot, but I'm gonna go to bed. What's going on, guys? Good morning. We had our first little family camp trip out with the GFC this weekend, and I would have to say there's a lot of things that my FSR 10 had that I like a lot better, and also the wife. I'll try to get some thoughts about what she thinks of the Go Fast camper when she comes back from walking our dog, our white shepherd. It's also her first camp trip, Ava, and it was a little stressful, I would have to say, trying to get a new dog used to being around camp and everything. She is a white shepherd, so she has like those instincts that she like wants to scour the whole camp spot to feel comfortable and everything, which is not a great first morning when you hop out of the camper and she just starts running around and everything like that. So that was fun. But yeah, we slept pretty decently in the GFC. The mattress sucks, so I'm hoping that I can get like a Hess mattress or like even like the Turbo Nap mattress. The mattress is trash. But Merry Christmas to you guys. I'm pretty sure this video is going to come out around Christmas time, so I hope you have a Merry Christmas. You get all the truck parts you wanted, and yeah, I hope you guys have a fun time. We're enjoying our first little family camp trip out here with the GFC. We have a lot of work to make it livable and comfortable for all 5 of us. So yeah, we're just hanging out right now at camp. Kate is walking Ava, our new dog, and we got the 2 champs, the veterans over here, just hanging around camp, drinking some coffee. And I'm excited to show you guys those sweet trails that I pulled up on in the middle of the night trying to find this spot. I'm super excited to hit those. Everything looks more sketchy at nighttime, so I hope they're pretty fun to do during the daytime. But we'll see. We're going to start packing up camp pretty soon here and then head off to the trails and hit some fun stuff. All right, so I dragged Kate into this interview here. So what are your thoughts on the GFC compared to the FSR and the whole construction and usability of the Go Fast?
I don't like it.
Yeah, she didn't like it. Well, so what are the things you don't like about the FSR or the GFC?
It's just not really thought out very well. Like moving things around is cool, but it's just a hassle. And I don't know, the FSR had like they thought it through. Like they had the movie screen on the top, and if you bought we had the
blanket, or sheet.
the heated blanket, and they had thought through to that where you can clip it into the mattress, and they just thought everything through. They had the lights in there. This one just seems like someone just made this and sold, like it was just some random person that made it and sold it. It's just not really like made well.
Yeah, she doesn't like the DIY aspect of the construction of everything. Not FSR was nice. They thought about a lot of things, but the mattress sucks. They could have upgraded the mattress for sure. So hopefully we can get a Hess mattress, right? For Christmas.
Yeah, let's hope so for good.
Hopefully get the Hess mattress for Christmas. But yeah, there's a lot of things that we got to put together to make this more comfortable.
about to, yep.
What?
Well, you're just about to hit your hitch over there.
Fucking Penny jumped on me last minute.
Can we stop and take a photo?
Yeah. Take a photo. I don't want to slide down that. Might have to.
Why don't you turn your front wheels?
You want to make that turn right there?
I think you got it, yeah. Oh, like forward?
Yeah.
I thought you were backing up. I don't know.
Oh boy. Wide lens or no?
No.
That's what I was worried about. But
Oh, babe. Oh, Kurt, come on.
good.
Yeah, you're gonna fuck your shit up right there. No, you're gonna fuck your shit up. Look at this.
Let me back up so you can get.
Put your...
Better off, but sliding.
Woo!
All right, everybody, that was a pretty fun trail, I have to say. I think I scared Kate a little bit and the dogs in the back. That probably wasn't a great idea, having the whole family in the whip while I was hitting those trails, but it was a fun little spot, and that's really close to our house, so I'm excited to keep coming back. I found a couple little cool waterfalls that I definitely do want to hit eventually, but I need some of the boys out here with me, just not by myself. You know, I need spotters and everything. But let me know down in the comments if you guys like those trails. That trail looks sick. There's a couple little spots that were a little sketchy, but yeah, we're packing up. We're heading home, and the truck did great. The steering rack definitely was not stoked while I was crawling that rock kind of off camber. It was about 26 degrees. You can't really tell on camera how like sideways I got on that, but it was a little scary. I had to push in the mirror because I didn't want to hit nothing. But so here's the trail damage that happened. I really just did a number on the sliders right here. Shout out to Deviate sliders. They always hold up. They always do a good job. We pretty much, yeah, we smoked the sliders a little bit, but that's fine. That's fine. Don't matter. You know, that's what they're there for. Deviate hitch skid did great as always. Hit that a couple times. Hit the bumper. It looks like a little bit there. Bumper's still down. No issues. No issues. And then on the front, I did hit the front bumper a little bit. Hit the sliders on this side. Oh, my wheels are all destroyed now. Wheels destroyed. It's okay. I have a black Sharpie. Black Sharpie it a little bit. This wheel survived. Actually, never mind. Has a scratch. Pretty much all of them have a scratch. Hit the bumper a little bit also. Crawling one of those big boulders, but you know, that's what armor is for. Yeah, especially right there too. That's what armor's for. Make sure to get some Deviate bumpers. Use my code Downtime Lost and you get yourself 10% off. And totally worth it. But we are about to head home. So yeah, you guys have a Merry Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys tune in for next week. We have a really fun video planned. And like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys so much. I love you. Peace out. Bye.